Former acting chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC, Khaidem has criticized the state government effort of sending a delegation of MLAs to press the centre to defer census before updating the NRC in the state, contending that elective representatives cannot substitute the state government. Addressing a press meet at his Loklokbong residence today, the former acting chairperson said the state government should itself formally communicate its position to the centre if it believes the NRC must precede the census. He said the government should write to the centre and explain the difficulties in holding the census under the prevailing circumstances. He added that the state government can also seek an appropriate direction from the centre to defer the exercise until the public concerns are addressed. Mani asserted that ministers or authorized bureaucratic officers should represent the state government before the centre on official matters, while observing that the deployment of MLAs to Delhi over the NRC and census issue is highly objectionable. On the other hand, Mani said that the shortage of judges in the High Court of Manipur has adversely affected the justice delivery system in the state. He noted that the High Court, which was established in 2013 with a sanctioned strength of 5 judges, has only 3 judges at present. He urged the authorities concerned to appoint the required judges without further delay.